I am back with another video. This video is really interesting for all of the Oppo A3s users. Whoever is willing and having their smartphone, just call Oppo A3s. Let me break down some specific things and I will show you some interesting things that how you can flash file and without you need any download links or anything else. But basically you should have some authentic and required tool that will work well when you are trying to do yourself. Okay my friend, I got this idea to make a tutorial video on Oppo A3s from one of my relatives who have a Oppo A3s device, and relative asking me to make a unique tutorials and try to explain the things whatever he is facing the issues whenever he is searching the problems on the internet, on other things, on other browsers, but he is stuck when fixing the problems in the Oppo A3s. So this is the detailed guide. I am making a tutorial for my relative and all of my audience, whoever is watching is my video. So let's break down some interesting things. I would like to introduce them directly. Let me show that. Let me read some information and let you update something new. First of all, Oppo A3s flash file is a model for the CPH1803, and you will get your model name from the device. Follow up the setting app, then about phone, there you will see your model name or the smartphone name. Okay, what the other things you need, I am letting you the how much is the size of the file you will face when you are trying to download them in your PC or any other laptops you have. So the first Firmware file is A1Q, that is 4 GB size, and another one is A20, that is 3.91 GB file size, and another one 3.92 GB file, and the 4 GB file is the last file. Okay, let me show you the step-by-step guidelines. What you need to do, what the steps you should follow. Let me show you my screen. Here you can see my screen, and the file sizes I described already. You can read, you can see 4 GB file size and 3.91, another one that is 3.92, and the last one that is the latest that support 8.34, that is 4 GB file size. Okay, so pretty discussions before flashing. Before you begin, charge your Oppo A3s to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. Then download the official Oppo A3s firmware compatible with your device model. Then download the USB Flash Tool or MSM download tool and extract the file. Install MTK USB driver on your PC, so the device is recognized. This okay. This is the guidelines. I am letting you step by step. First step, you need to download and extract the file you have downloaded. Their support up to 5 GB or 6 GB 4 GB file size. After that, you need to install the USB driver and then launch USB Flash Tool that you will download from the firmware. And okay, the fourth step is connect device. First of all, you need to power off your phone, then press and hold the volume up and volume down button. After that, while connecting your device to the PC via USB cable, you need proper and original USB cable when you are connecting, because any local cable will not supported with your PC to the device. Okay, after completing, click the download button in the Flash Tool to start the flashing process. On the process is complete, disconnect your Oppo device from the computer and restart it. Okay, I will mention the required links in the video descriptions. This is the unique and tutorial guidelines for my relative. I hope my relative will support and like it. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.